An ATM robbery was attempted in Anekal early this morning around 3:30 a.m. Two thieves arriving in a Tata Ace vehicle targeted an ATM machine located on Manchanahalli Road. The ATM belonging to Canara Bank reportedly contained over 10 lakh rupees. The culprits carried the ATM machine away from its location and attempted to extract money from it while seated by the roadside. However, the suspicious activity was noticed by passersby, prompting the thieves to abandon the machine and flee the scene immediately. Locals quickly informed the police about the incident. The Attibele police responded, promptly rushing to the location and recovering the abandoned ATM machine. The machine has been taken into custody and a case has been registered at the Attibele police station. Further investigations are underway.